Ever looked in the mirror and noticed your scalp thinning? The hidden culprit might be dormant follicles that are just sleeping. But today, we are waking them up with fermented black garlic. This one natural secret can reverse scalp aging in 7 days. Stick around to see your hair transform into something much thicker. I will show you exactly how to apply this ancient remedy. If you want more hair restoration secrets, please subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast. Let's dive into why your current hair routine is likely failing. Most hair loss treatments only focus on the surface of your skin. They ignore the biological clock ticking deep inside your hair follicles. As we age, our scalp health declines due to poor circulation. This process is known as scalp aging, and it stops growth. Your follicles are not gone. They are simply stuck in sleep. Scientific studies from PubMed show that antioxidants can restart this cycle. Fermented black garlic contains 10 times more antioxidants than raw garlic. These compounds penetrate deep to nourish the roots of your hair. Imagine your scalp is like a garden waiting for rain. Expensive chemical serums often cause more irritation than actual hair growth. They lack the natural sulfur needed to build strong keratin bonds. Black garlic provides this sulfur in a very bioavailable, gentle form. Research at the NIH confirms that sulfur is the building block. Without it, your hair becomes brittle and the follicles stay closed. You need a solution that works with your body's natural rhythm. Nature has already provided the most potent tool for hair restoration. But why do most people fail when using basic natural oils? It is because they are missing the critical fermentation activation step. Your scalp cannot absorb the nutrients if they are too large. Fermentation breaks these nutrients down so they reach the dormant bulb. This is how you turn back the clock on scalp aging. But wait until you see why expensive creams often fail. Many people spend hundreds of dollars on fancy clinical scalp creams. These products often sit on the surface and never reach roots. The molecular structure of most store-bought lotions is simply too large. Your skin is a protective barrier that keeps foreign chemicals out. Harvard research shows that most topical treatments have very low absorption. This is why you see no results after months of use. Fermented black garlic is different because the process changes the chemistry. Fermentation creates acetylcysteine, which is a highly soluble and potent compound. This tiny molecule travels deep into the dermis to wake follicles. Stop rubbing random oils on your head without a plan. It is not just about the ingredient, but how it enters. The sulfur in black garlic helps to clear out clogged pores. Dead skin and oil buildup often suffocate your new hair growth. When you clear the path, the follicles can finally breathe again. Advanced booster tip: mix your garlic extract with warm jojoba oil. The warmth opens the pores, while jojoba mimics your natural sebum. This combination acts as a carrier to double the absorption rate. Apply this mix at night, when your body focuses on repair. Your cells regenerate faster while you sleep during the night hours. Consistency is the real key to seeing those dormant bulbs sprout. Most people give up just before the new growth actually starts. But do you know the one habit killing your progress? The final stage of hair restoration is protecting the new growth. Many people ignore the damaging effects of hard water and heat. These environmental factors strip away the natural oils from your scalp. Even with black garlic, you must maintain a healthy scalp environment. Studies from PubMed suggest that scalp massage increases blood flow significantly. Increased blood flow brings oxygen to the newly awakened hair follicles. Use your fingertips to gently massage the garlic oil into skin. Spend at least 5 minutes each night focusing on thinning areas. Your hair is a reflection of your internal health status. Nutrition plays a vital role in keeping your hair thick and strong. Eat foods rich in biotin and zinc to support the keratin. Black garlic provides the external boost, but your body builds hair. The results from this natural treatment will begin to show slowly. You will first notice less shedding when you brush your hair. Next, you will see tiny new hairs appearing along the hairline. This is the sign that your dormant follicles are finally active. Avoid using harsh chemical shampoos that contain sulfates or heavy silicones. These ingredients can clog the pores you just worked to clear. Stick to the fermented garlic routine for at least 30 days. Consistency is what separates success from another failed attempt at growth. You have the power to reverse scalp aging with simple habits. Take care of your scalp, and your hair will naturally follow. Start your journey to a healthier scalp with this simple habit. Consistency is the bridge between dormant follicles and new hair growth. Try the black garlic remedy tonight and watch for those results. If you found this helpful, please like and share the video. Check out our other videos for more natural wellness transformation tips. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Wellness Path Podcast now. Be kind to your scalp and stay healthy. Until next time.